Good morning. Thanks for your company. Well, global equities pushed the pause button on Friday, concerned of the coronavirus economic impact. And it comes as China's National Health Commission confirmed over 31,000 people have caught the pneumonia-like virus, with over 600 deaths. Meantime, the World Health Organization hailed China for its great discipline in attacking the virus, with almost 3,000 people fully recovered. And in the US, better than expected economic news came through. Jobs numbers better than expected. 225,000 jobs added in January, almost 70,000 more than expected. In fact, wages saw an uptick of 3.1% year on year, also beating forecasts as well. However, the fresh coronavirus numbers being confirmed mean investors locked in recent profits on Friday, which is why we saw US equities fall from their fresh record highs after previously rising for 4 straight days. However, despite Friday's negativity, some sectors did push ahead. Consumer staples, telcos and property also rose. Over the week as well, the Dow, the S&P 500 finished with a gain of 3%, and the Nasdaq finished with a profit of 4%. As for us today, the Aussie share market futures are currently suggesting a rise of 0.1%, or a lift of 7 points, and it follows Friday's close after we fell 0.4%, or 27 points, closing at 7,023 points. Reporting season continues. GPT Property Group, or GPT Group rather, Charter Hall, Long WALE, Reit and Aurizon Holdings are first out of the gate this morning, reporting, so you can sink your teeth into those results. JB Hi-Fi results out later today, and Suncorp reporting tomorrow, the first of the banks. What else to watch today? Well, a quiet day locally in terms of economic news. However, China inflation is out for January, and home lending is out tomorrow for December, and business confidence for January. Both readings tipped to be positive. Let's have a look at how markets wrapped up on Friday. Well, in the US, the Dow Jones fell the most, 0.9%. The S&P 500 and the Dow finished 0.5% lower. European markets also closed lower. German's DAX and UK's FTSE down the most, 0.5%, with the broader Stocks 600 losing 0.3%. The French CAC slipping slightly, 0.1%. Asian stocks closed mixed though. China's Shanghai Comp bucked the trend, rising 0.3%, continuing its clawback, while Hong Kong's Hang Seng made an equal fall in the opposite direction, 0.3% lower, and Japan's Nikkei was unchanged. Gold trades at $1,573 an ounce, losing over 1% last week as investors poured money back into equities, and oil has backtracked. It's now at $50.32 a barrel, losing over 2% last week as demand concerns linger, and the iron ore price has clawed back. It's now at $81.65, rising almost 1%, and the Australian dollar lastly is buying 66.65 US cents. Have a great day. Happy trading.